Hello, and I want to give you guys a quick tip. As you can see, this is an error right here. I'm using the info.files and I have this issue after updating it. And what to do when you have this kind of issue? Open up any screenshot program, screenshot this section right here. After doing that, we open up any browser. Let me open up, you know what, I'll go with Chromium. Then I'll go with ChatGPT, the most basic one there is. Yep, this is basically the simplest thing you can use. We paste in the image as it does support images. We say, I have this error message. Can you give me as command for Linux? For Arch Linux, yes, we have to specify and tell that we use Arch, by the way. Arch Linux that can help me fix it. So if I press enter, it will go on its analyzing images part and then sees whatever it feels like it. And now you can see it says we're basically removing the invalid lines. Now you can see what it's doing is copying the config file. It's doing sed. So always make sure you know what command you're running. Sed is basically a substitution command that will just take a text in, which is regex text, and edit that into in whatever file we tell it to. So let me just copy this, open up a terminal, paste it in, then hit enter. And you can see we already have a fewer errors. Now we can press this and say, we don't have any ignore windows, but we have another issue. So now since it didn't fix it in one go, we can do it in another go. We can just go here, paste it in. We have a new error now, which is already a lot better than having the first one. Okay, and it will also remove it. So we're grabbing it. Oops, I forgot to give it a file, which is not good. My bad. In slash config hyprland, not this hyprland, this one, and then general.conf. Now this is why you should know what command you're running, because if it throws an error, you know what to do. Now let's see if it's gone. It is gone, but we still have this error right here. If I do this, okay, and so it says 114. And so let's open it up. Let's see, since it's saying it to open it at that line, this right here. Now I will not delete it. And it did make a backup already, so that's already good. No, I don't want to save it. Let me just do this, a more aggressive command apparently, but it's gone now. It is gone. So we can use GPT to fix our errors and stuff. But here is why I don't use GPT for this or any basic things. I usually use Claude for most of my errors and stuff. Let me just get this error right here. Where is it? There we go. Let me just copy this image and let me go into a Claude account. Hold up. So here is our plot. Let me just remove GPT for now, since so this is our plot. Let's just give it the same image. I think I have to get it from screenshots because I don't think. There you go. This one right here. If I give this and say the same thing, I'll just say, can you help me with this? So let's see what this does. I can see it says vague request for assistance. It's already judging me, which is great. Options, here's what to fix, line this. So this is also saying to comment it out and comment it out. Notice something. This is telling me to comment it out and not delete it. So this will comment it out apparently. Now let's comment. Let's find the backup. So let me just do mv hyper, and let me go with hyprland, and then general.conf. There you go, backup, and we'll just replace it with. I'm just copy this over. And we'll just bring back the old one. There you go. Now we have the same error, but we just copy this command and paste it in here, and let's see what happens. And then we just reload with Super Shift R, which is Windows Shift R, which is not this again. And so we can do hyprctl reload. Let's do this. So it's still there. And that's not great. So now what? As I say, it is still there. Okay, let's try this now. So it's saying to paste the output there, so let's paste it in. Here you go. This is your output. Okay, now it's telling me to do this command. Let's try this again. Now it's already 2 steps ahead, which is great. And all of it is gone. So the point of making this video is, yes, you can use AI for Linux and stuff and kind of go through your issues and fixing it through. But the one thing I would recommend is, before doing all of this, make sure take GPT's advice and make a backup. You can see Claude didn't tell me to make a backup. Its first instinct was to comment it out, and in the last one it still commented it out. So what these are doing is trying the safest approach for your system. Now if I do this command right here, I think, yeah, it does show us where it is. So let me see. Yeah, you can see, there you go. It just added 2 hashtags on before this command instead of just outright removing it. So that is great. So now our issue is fixed. Hope that helps for anybody having the same issue. And I'll probably put these commands in the comments or somewhere in the description, so it helps you guys. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe, leave a like. Bye.